Hello! Welcome back to our Happy English podcast. I am Mr. B, and I am very excited today. I drank too much coffee. Again. So if I talk too fast, Anna will stop me.
Yes, don't worry. I am here. I am Anna, and I will slow down Mr. B today. But first, dear listeners, we need your help.
Yes, before we start learning English today, please like this episode, comment something nice, and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please do it so we can make more fun English lessons for you.
Okay, now let's start. Today we talk about hobbies. Everyone has hobbies. Maybe you like reading. Maybe you like cooking. Maybe you like sleeping, like me.
Sleeping is not a hobby, Mr. B.
Then why do I love it so much?
Because you are lazy.
Okay, fair point.
So, what is a hobby? A hobby is a thing you like to do in your free time. You do it for fun, you do it to relax, you do it because it makes you happy.
Yes, not work, not school, not cleaning your room. That is not hobby. My hobby is not cleaning. Never.
Yes, that is very clear. But listeners, hobbies are very important because they help your mind and your heart feel good.
Yes, when you do your hobby, you feel happy. Your stress goes away. You smile. Sometimes you laugh. Sometimes you cry, but good crying.
Good crying? What hobby makes you cry?
Cutting onions.
Mr. B, that is cooking, not a hobby called crying.
Okay, fine. But hobbies are good for your life. They help you relax after a long day.
Right. And today, we will talk about many different hobbies. We will also teach you easy English phrases to describe your hobbies.
So, in English, how do we talk about hobbies? It is very easy. You can say, I like, I enjoy. My hobby is, in my free time, I.
Yes, and you can also say, I like to, or I like doing. For example, I like to cook, or I like cooking.
Both are correct, but not, I like cooking too. That is chaos. My brain hurts.
Yes, please don't say that. Just say it simple. I like cooking. Perfect.
So now let's talk about our hobbies, and later we talk about your hobbies at home.
Okay, Mr. B, tell us, what are your hobbies?
Ah, I have many hobbies. I am a man of culture. Let me think. I like reading. I like listening to music. I like cooking. And I like sleeping.
Sleeping again?
Yes, sleeping is beautiful.
Fine, let's talk about your real hobbies. Hobby 1, reading.
Okay, reading. I love reading books. I like adventure books, funny books, and cooking books. Cooking books are dangerous because when I read them, I get hungry.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I read a little every night. It helps me relax.
So you can say, in my free time, I like reading books. Reading helps me relax.
Yes, very good example.
Hobby 2, cooking. Now, cooking. What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta. I like to cook soup. I like to cook fried rice. But sometimes the food looks scary.
Scary?
Yes, the food looks like it wants to fight me.
Maybe you need better cooking skills.
Maybe. But cooking is still my hobby. It helps me relax, except when I burn things. Okay, Anna, now it's your turn. What hobbies do you like?
I like simple hobbies. I like walking, I like gardening, I like playing music, and I love spending time with my friends. Hobby 1. Walking.
Walking? That is a hobby? That is what my grandma does.
Walking is very good for health. It helps me clear my mind.
Clear your mind? My mind is always full. Maybe I need more walking.
Yes, please. So I can say, in my free time, I enjoy walking. Walking makes me feel calm. Hobby 2. Gardening.
Now, gardening. Why do you like gardening?
It makes me happy. I like plants, I like flowers, but sometimes my plants die
Oh no, why?
because I talk too much. The plants get tired.
Yes, I understand. If I were a plant, I would run away.
Now, listeners, let's learn many hobby words. You can listen and repeat after us.
Yes, let's go.
Reading,
Cooking,
drawing,
painting,
playing music,
singing,
dancing,
gardening,
playing sports,
watching movies,
listening to music,
swimming,
running,
photography,
traveling,
playing games,
shopping,
cooking,
writing,
baking,
meditation.
hiking.
Great job! These are common hobby words you can use every day.
Now, let's talk about why hobbies matter. Why hobbies important? They help you relax. They help you feel happy. They help you forget stress. They give you energy. They help your brain stay strong. They help you meet people with same hobbies.
Yes, when you do something you love, you feel good. For example, when I play music, I feel calm and happy. When I garden, I feel peaceful.
When I cook, I feel hungry.
Mr. B, please focus.
Okay. Everyone needs hobbies. Life is stressful. Work is stressful. But hobbies are your happy time.
Yes, very true.
Anna, let me ask you, if you have no time, what hobby do you do?
If I have no time, I do thinking.
Thinking is your hobby?
Yes, I think about snacks.
Ah, thinking about snacks, that is a good hobby.
What about you, Mr. B? If you have no time, what hobby do you do?
Easy. I do quick nap.
Quick nap?
Yes, sleep for 5 minutes, like a phone charging.
Mr. B, that is not healthy.
But it feels great.
Okay, listeners, now we teach you easy sentences you can use. Number 1, talking about what you like. I like reading. I like cooking. I enjoy gardening.
Number 2, talking about how often you do it. I do it every day. I do it on weekends. I do it when I have free time.
Number 3, talking about why you like it. It makes me happy. It helps me relax. It is fun. It helps me learn new things.
Number 4, full example. I like playing guitar. I play guitar every weekend. It makes me feel relaxed and happy.
Very simple, very good. Okay, listeners, now repeat after us. This is a simple hobby conversation.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I do.
What are your hobbies?
I like cooking. I cook on weekends. Cooking makes me happy.
Nice. I like reading.
Cool. Reading is fun. Now let's tell a funny story about hobbies.
Okay. Last month, I tried a new hobby.
What hobby?
Yoga.
Oh no.
Yes, I tried yoga, but I could not touch my toes.
Many people cannot touch their toes.
Yes, but I fell down.
Oh no.
But it was funny. Everyone laughed, even me.
So, do you still do yoga?
No, now my hobby is respecting yoga from far away.
Okay, listeners, now it is your turn. Think about your hobbies.
Yes, what do you like to do in your free time?
Do you like reading? Do you like cooking? Do you like walking? Do you like dancing? Do you like watching movies?
We want to know. Please write in the comments, my hobby is blank because blank.
Yes, we love reading your comments.
Okay, friends, that is the end of our Happy English lesson today.
I hope you learned many new words and phrases about hobbies.
And I hope you laughed a little. Laughing is also a hobby, right?
Yes, your hobby is laughing and sleeping.
Perfect life.
Before you go, please like this episode, comment your hobby, and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for listening. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. Have a happy day.